Here we go on the 22nd of April 2016, just about to go and pick up the DeLorean. It's been 13 months that this car's been under renovation. This is the day at last to go and collect it. So unfortunately it's raining out there, so first job will be to clean it when I get home. Yeah, just a bit of background info on the car. It's came over from America over 13 months ago. It was a non-runner, so everything had to be done. New suspension, brakes, wiring, relays, window motors, bearings. Transmission's been fully renovated, all the engines have gone through, been fully undersealed, new lighting, LEDs, interior, headlining, the list goes on. Could be here all day. Then we're just about to pick it up and take it for a spin. Okay, we're here. Gates are opening. There she is. She's sitting there. Okay, here I am, just about to take the DeLorean for its first drive ever. I am now the owner of a DeLorean. Can't wait. That's the first ever drive of a DeLorean I've had. Just picked up the car about 20 minutes ago. Absolutely fantastic. Drives super smooth, steering's perfect, amazing, yeah, amazing experience, love it to bits. And now the work begins. Well, after 35 years of waiting for a DeLorean ever since I seen one in Back to the Future, as it came down those doors of that truck, actually managed to buy myself a DeLorean. Can't believe it. It's been a lifelong dream. I never thought I'd actually make to be here, and it is fantastic, well worth the wait. Yeah, amazing car to drive, really strange. Visibility is yeah, interesting, as you may see, and it is fantastic car. Okay, a few hours into DeLorean ownership now, and it is amazing. Everyone is looking and stopping and waving, and even filling up with petrol takes a long time. I just finished cleaning after a couple of hours, and all is well, as you may see. Lots more to do. Okay, I'm waiting for Anna at the moment. Car park, which is not the best place to be in this car. It's very tight. The mirrors are not good. But just filled up with Super Plus, and she's all good now. I just about got to the petrol station. It was right on the edge, and she was starting to splutter and cough. So she's had a tank of Super Plus now, and the mileage is 37,591.